All right, everybody, welcome back. We are on level 2 of lesson 5, board events. So what we're going to do is it says using board events. Right now, the LED turns on when the left button L, is pressed down. Add code so it turns off when the right button R, is pressed down. So do this. When button R is pressed, turn the red LED off. Add another onboard event block to turn the LED off when the right button is pressed down. So we have the left button already set up. This will turn the light on. So if I run it, and we can see right here. So if I click on the left button, it'll turn on. So we can see that there. If I click on the right button, nothing's happening. So we have to come in here and we're going to add an onboard event to line 7. We're going to change the button to the button on the right, so button R. And now we need to make sure that the LED turns off. So this is LED on, which means we need LED off. We're going to put that right there. And we're going to reset and we're going to run it again. So if we did this correctly, then this one will turn the button on and this one will turn the button off. There we go. So button on, button off. All right, if yours is doing that, then you're good to go. Press the finish button and I'll see you on level 3. Here we go.